timeless holiday look to try this year with Physicians Formula Butter Buddies. I received these products for free from Influencer and Physicians Formula in exchange for my honest review. Baby Butter is a banana powder color corrector. This powder's light yellow tint is effective for color correcting. I'm obsessed with this cute banana powder. It gave my skin a warm highlight, helped reduce shine, and absorbed excess oils. Bitter Butter is an illuminating finishing powder. Pro tip, make sure to tap excess powder from the brush before applying to achieve an even application. Don't touch the powder by its packaging. This finishing powder softened my skin texture and gave my skin an overall glow. Miss Butterfly is a blush in rosy. These powders are vegan and cruelty-free. I applied this cutie over my cheekbones on an upward motion to define, contour, and to create a lifted look. I used the same powder as an eyeshadow over my eyelids, then blended over my crease for a smooth look. I also applied this creamy shade over my lips to create a natural, blushing monochromatic look. You can also apply clear lip gloss to give lips a youthful glow. This beautiful cool tone blush is my favorite one. It's the perfect rosy tone for that fresh and natural holiday makeup look. Which buddy was your favorite one? Like and follow for more videos.